Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? Welcome to MacLeans Ales Inc. It's a brewery in Hanover, Ontario, which is about 2.5 hours from Toronto. As you come in through the front door, you'll see some souvenirs like caps and t-shirts and some other goodies. They have a good selection of beer, blondes, lagers, IPAs, and some seasonal beers. Once you're ready to order and nobody's there, just ring the bell. They also have some snacks like spring rolls, pretzel bites, and chips. On the side of the brewery, you'll find some picnic tables to sit and chill. There's also a couple of tables inside, which I didn't film. I got a couple of beers from them. My favorite, Lazy Hazy IPAs. Also, I got a pale ale and a blonde. You can get most of them at the LCBO. Anyway, I gotta get going, shift gears, and cheers. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content.